Look at her wild ride from the officer's body cam.
Break glass, break glass, break glass. Get out the car! Get out! Get out! Tires are flat. Stop! Move! You just had a wreck.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet the most uncooperative woman in Peach County, Georgia, 24-year-old Sierra Hibbert.
Get out! Tires are flat.
After wiggling free, Sierra led officers on a wild chase until they used stop sticks to flatten her tires. Even then, she still tried to escape.
Come on! She's not gonna make it far. Go. Yeah. She's not gonna make it far. Go. Didn't want to do that.
When officers finally boxed her in and dragged her out of the car, Sierra had plenty to say.
I did not do it. I did not do whatever you guys are talking about.
But the most shocking part? She had a toddler in the back seat the entire time. As officers secured the child, Sierra stuck to her story, claiming she didn't do anything. Maybe it was a ghost driving her car. Let's take one last look. In the end, Sierra was arrested and taken to county jail. The charges are unclear, but it's safe to assume they include reckless driving, endangering a child, and possibly assault with a deadly weapon.
Stop!
June 20th, 2024, St. Lucie County, Florida. Highway Patrol Trooper Elvis Nolasco spots a white Mercedes on the Florida Turnpike. After a quick plate check, he learns the driver's license is suspended, and there's a seizure order on the tags. Time to pull him over, right? Well, not quite. Instead of stopping, 28-year-old Derek Taylor Jr. hits the gas, kicking off a high-speed chase down the highway. Taylor's pushing over 80 miles per hour on the left shoulder, and it's a wild ride. But there's more to this chase than speeding. The car is packed with illegal drugs. oxycodone, MDMA, marijuana, and cocaine. These guys aren't stopping for anyone.
Speed's currently 84 miles per hour. Traffic is heavy, light rain. He's still on the left shoulder.
Trooper Skiera stayed on him, and just when backup arrived, things took a sudden turn. Trooper Prosper joined the chase but ended up in a rough spot. It seemed like he crashed, but he actually ended the chase right then and there. Once the dust settled, both Tobias and his passenger Roosevelt Williams were cuffed and charged with aggravated fleeing, battery, and property damage. Police also found marijuana and a loaded handgun inside their car. On December 26, 2023, Hollywood, California police used the grappler to stop a pair of teenage carjackers in a stolen Camaro. Guess they didn't get the car they wanted for Christmas. On July 15, 2023, while being taken to prison, he escaped custody and carjacked 2 people before jumping into a stolen blue Camaro. What followed was a high-speed chase through rural Wisconsin as Wesley dodged speak strips and veered into oncoming traffic. But suddenly, his car slowed down and came to a stop on a highway ramp. OnStar shut the engine down remotely after the car's owner reported it stolen. Officers swooped in, and Wesley, the so-called tough guy, broke down in tears when they pulled out their weapons. But don't let that fool you. He's a career criminal who'd already stolen a van, crashed it, and injured someone earlier that day. In the end, Wesley was shackled to a hospital bed, facing charges of carjacking, reckless endangerment, and battery on a police officer. With up to 40 years behind bars on the line, let's hope this time he stays put.